God, he's gone.
Dude, I know when they were swimming through it in the rain.
That was hard.
It was a fun time though. I'm gonna put this back in this little pouch on the side there, the back one. Little pistol one.
Let me go the other way.
Oh, this objective's gonna be hard to get. Nobody's marked.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
No fear, dude.
So wait a minute, is this the one where like if you get shot you can't get back up, there's no respawn?
That's pretty
Yeah.
much how this field runs.
It's like Counter-Strike, dude.
Okay, cool.
So, like, if you get hit, just pull out your tag and lay down on the ground.
I'm not gonna lay down, I'm gonna take a knee. I'm gonna sit my fat ass down somewhere. Pop the Asian squat. Eat him out.
This guy's gonna be.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oops, sorry, bud.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, watch out down that way. Nice. Keep watching that side. What's up? Okay. You want me to go first? Well, you can cover that side, I'll go around. Like you say, go around this way. You got eyes on, I can come around. Okay. Is it looking bad over there? Yeah. See. Okay. Okay. This guys. Dead? Okay. Which way are we going? I don't see it. You guys see the bucket? Upstairs? Okay. Fuck, hit. They got me. Good shot. Good shot. Oh, my bad. Watch out.
Hit!
Hit.
Good one.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Thank you.
You getting some? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
We need to get up top, dude. We need to get up top.
Get the stairs?
Yep.
Okay.
Just go right for it.
If you want to run up the stairs, I'll cover you on the right side.
Look at you guys going, tactical team.
I'm not even, bro. Just having a good time.
We're just having like we just pick a general direction from there.
Hell yeah.
You guys for
Dude,
the most
I
part,
wanted
and then
to
I'll like
tell
sit
you-
in the exact spot you left me in.
I wanted to tell you so bad that there was 3 people right here, but I was like,
No, I heard him. And I was like, fuck, man. Oof. Ukla.
Oh, dude, we're green team. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
are they coming to tape us right now?
Looks like it. Tape. Oh.
They coming around? Are they good? Nice, nice. He's on our team. Yo, John, watch inside, watch inside. Yo, is it clear up there? I know. Look, go for the fucking thing. Where the fuck's the bucket? I think we got the cone. They tossed it over at the beginning. What's up?
I love you.
Here we go.
Try to go upstairs. One's going far right. Hey, nice hit, nice hit. buddy.
Shot.
This is a good little workout. At the fucking.
All I'm doing is
Hell yeah.
I want to go around right. Left side's a little like, you don't know.
A little tough.
yeah, there's a lot of crap.
Okay.
You better either go straight up.
You see a lot of them? I got you, John, if you want to pull back. I got you, I got you. I got you, I got you. Hit, good shot.
Inside, usually there's not a lot of people unless there's like a lot of people out in the back.
Okay,
Most of the time they're all on the left or in the forest on the left.
okay. So take it easy. I can't tell if the dude ahead of us is on our team or not.
We only have green on like our arms.
Green. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry, dude. Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Sorry, man. There's one. Behind the fucking white van. Going left. Oh, John, watch it back in here. Hey, still by the white van! Still one by the white van!
Green's up top, don't worry about it.
Okay. Yeah, I think there's two.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Okay. We're about to start.
Ready? Go.
Let me see what it's like inside.
Yep, I'll cover this side right here.
Okay. Oh yeah. Hey, there's an opening in there if you guys want to come around. They got that side covered. Where's John? Oh, look at this killer. Coming to medic this man. That is a killer. I was about to tell you to go over there and get him.
You all want to push right?
Like to the mount?
Yeah.
Well, you can push. Hey, John, you want to get some cardio in?
Well, I'll push right. Everybody.
John, just hang out. Just hang. John, or you, John, hang out so that we don't all get fucking killed. But.
All right, bet. I'll be over here, dude. You go.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh fuck, you're on our team. Damn. No, but my buddy is. Hey, John! John, go around wide!
Jumping in.
Okay. Hey, come around and jump in the trench!
Right your leg.
come on, come on, come on! Hell yeah, baby. All right. Oh shit, yeah, watch out! Yo, stay low, brother. There's some to your left and some right in front of you. Hey, John! A-Was! A-Was, John, get up here! Yeah! Hit, hit, hit! Damn it. Yeah, we're still far. Yeah, I see. Right here, right in front of us, right in front of us.
Go ahead, push up. I got 2.
Bob, I gotta reload. Okay, drop this in. Okay, moving.
Go ahead.
Oh, nice shot, nice shot, nice shot.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
take that compound.
Ah, fuck, I hit. There, I got hit. I fucking duck out the way here. Where's A-Was, John? Damn, our medic.
You're a medic?
Oh, hell, you get me real quick. Berman in front of us? Hell yeah. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Yeah.
Bang this. Bang it.
Okay, got it. One sec. How far you want it? All the way?
No, just it's on the other side of the trench.
Okay, like in the middle, halfway? Hit, 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 damn it.
On the other side of the
I got hit, I got hit. Here you go, here you go.
Where is it? How do
Right
I throw
there.
it?
You just pull the pin. Hit, hit! I'm dead, John, come get me! Thanks, bro.
Where'd it come from?
I don't know where it came from.
Do I pull and throw?
Yeah, just pull and then make sure you throw it, and when it hits the ground, it's gotta, just throw it hard. Just throw it hard. That's all.
So you're not gonna make it back up in the 60 seconds, my dog.
All right, here, John.
I saw where it went.
Throw this one. That one's fun.
All right, which one is this?
So hold, make sure you're pushing on the pin, pull, or so yeah, pull the pin and then make sure you're holding the spoon down, because then the spoon releases when the timer starts. Yank it hard.
Hold it. Pull it. Hell yeah.
Yeet!
Ah, shit, I'm out of ammo. Here, hold this.
Okay.
Got a decent amount right to right here.
We'll hit the ground hard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Just remember where you throw it so we can go find it.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good?
Oh yeah. All right, lead the way, brother.
All right.
Hell yeah, John.
We're gonna walk.
Yeah, we're gonna. If you guys sprinted, I would have caught up eventually.
Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I see him at the. Let's get to this mound. Maybe get to that tree. Hey, what you think, John? Get to that tree over there?
What's up?
Get to that tree over there. What you think? Too hot?
No, that's what you do. Well, you don't have to worry about it. All right.
Hell yeah.
All right, Mr. EMT.
You're both medics, right?
No, I'm a medic.
Yeah, are you a medic? Oh, hell
You are
yeah.
a medic?
Oh, yeah,
All right,
watch out, bro.
Watch this. Right, Julio, you and I.
Okay.
Here we go. We're gonna get it, okay?
All right, let's do it.
Follow after 2 seconds. You stay right here until we clear it, okay?
Hell yeah. Rock and roll. 1, 2. Watch that far left! Watch that far left! Hey, come up! Come up! Out of the compound? Because I know there's some guys in the trench.
Oh, he's hit.
Okay. Okay, ready? Go. I'll cover you. All right, I'm a good. Hey, John Camarella, I'm gonna go get to this RV real quick. Where are they? I can cover you. I just don't know.
One person. I don't know where they are.
All right, what about
Okay.
I'm gonna run and go flip that. What is it? It's right here.
Oh, I see it. It's like right there, by the cowbell,
Oh, the red thing?
Yeah.
Here, hold on. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
You gonna go for it?
Yep.
Okay. Hell yeah. Killer. Your team now, like, not a huge fan of it.
You're not a huge What time is it?
4.
Me, look at me first. Both of you. Gotta look cute. You know, John's standing up front so he can be as tall as Julio.
Hell yeah.